If you want your HVAC ad copy to truly get results, you need to do more than just list your services. Start by understanding what your customers are really looking for, whether it's fast repairs during a heat wave, lower energy bills, or relief from poor air quality. Speak directly to those urgent needs and show that you're ready to help right when it matters most. Use headlines that promise clear benefits like same-day service or energy savings, so people know exactly what you offer. Highlight how your work brings comfort, savings, or cleaner air to their home, making every benefit feel personal and real. Don't forget to include strong calls to action that tell people exactly what to do next, like scheduling a repair or calling for help. Keep your message simple, honest, and focused on solving real problems. When your ad copy feels trustworthy and speaks to what matters most, you'll see more clicks and more customers.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.